How to create a new database. When designing a new database, first try to think of all of the fields of data that needs to be stored. After that, you are ready to begin. The first step is to open up the database program or software that you will be using. We will be using Microsoft Office Access. Next, since we are creating a brand new database, we're going to choose New Blank Database. So click on Blank Database in the Task pane window. The next step, in the dialog box, navigate to where you will save, or the location where you will save your database. So here we're just going to click on the file because we want to save our database to our desktop. Let's find our desktop. Here it is. Click on it and then tell it OK. The next step is to enter the name of the database in the file name text box. So here we have file name text box. We can enter the name of our database here, or we can enter the name of our database here, and still the same, it is the file name text box. So we're just going to use this one. We'll close this, tell it OK. We'll just go ahead and create it in this box. That's no problem. And we have to decide what file name we want to give our database. And it's really a good idea to name your database according to the information that we're going to be keeping. So for us, let us name our database Students Classroom Database. Let me just tell it OK. So now you see here the file name is also here. Now the next step we need to do is click on Create. And once we click on Create, we have a brand new database, boys and girls. And now we're ready to begin to fill in our information to create our tables. Do you remember what a table is? A table is a group of records, and it's also a file. Do you remember what view this is called? This is called the data sheet view. Okay, we're able to now create our different fields and begin our database.